Hello friends, this is Ramana. Today I will show demo on one SQL interview question. The question is here, how to get count of specific letter in a column of the table. Okay. So here we can use string functions to get the count. So this is one of the interview questions in recent past for SQL developer position in one multinational organization company. Okay. So I will tell how to get the specific letter in a column. This is my employee table which contains 6 columns are there. Name is also one of the column. So I want to know count of A in each name of the employee. I want to know how many A's are there in each name. Okay. For that I am using two functions, replace len. So by using these two string functions I will get the output. Select name comma, first I am taking length of name from table. So what will happen? So you will get length of each name. So Ravi Kumar name is 10 and Sneha Reddy 11, like this. Okay. Next, I want to replace A with empty space. Select. I am using replace function. Replace, take 3 arguments. First one is expression and second one is substring and third one is empty space. Okay, from table. So what will happen here? Every name there is no A in the name column. A has been replaced with empty space. See here, in every name we didn't find any A. Okay. Afterwards, I want to find out length after replacing this name column. Length after replacing this name column. Okay. Now you can see 8. So what is the original length? Suppose I am taking here name comma. So just I am taking example for Ravi Kumar. Ravi Kumar original length is 10. Okay. See here there are 2 A's are there in the name. Now if you execute this one, length after replacing A with empty space, you will get length is 8. So I am subtracting from the original length of the name after replacing A with empty space. Okay, as A count. Okay, if you execute this one, 10 minus 8 equal to 2. So there is 2 A's in the name column Ravi Kumar, and this is the in original length. It is Sneha Reddy is including space. It's 11. 11 minus 10. There is only 1 A in the Sneha Reddy. So like this you will get the specific letter count using length, len and replace string functions from the table. So this is how you need to answer for this question. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.